Hello, and welcome back to another video. It's time to have a little fun today. Today I have my trusty horn. It looks like a mace, the way you hold it and kind of just give it a little click. But today, here's what I'm doing. I'm doing a fun little activity called into people's windows. So, presumably, as I'm driving past car drivers, I'm going to give them a friendly, fun, playful little honk right into their windows. Hopefully they don't get mad and try to run me over, because in open space, I'm unsafe. Yeah, let's honk at this motorcyclist. But presumably, I should be able to keep going. Yeah, I don't want to cause any problems or get in trouble, but... Alright, let's see if I can pull this off. I just need car windows to be open, though, so that's kind of part of this gig. Trying to keep the parameters very basic and tight so that it's not unsafe. Look, cars are way behind me. No one wants to be near me. Is it because I'm terrible? Just kidding. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, here's the car. Here's the car with an open window. Oh, he's an aggressive muffler guy. Oh, it's a woman. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to rub people the wrong way by honking at them. Like honking into their windows, but I think that's exactly what it would do. I've got to find a good middle ground. Something funny with funny reactions, but playful and kind. Not really, I don't want to agitate anyone. I don't want to antagonize anyone or potentially risk anyone's safety, including my own. So, what's funny but also doesn't antagonize or risk the safety of others? Maybe if I honked and waved. By the way, I have the speedometer turned off, but I do have the mic on, and 4K is a go. Because that happens in the exporting process, and I will be exporting in 4K. Okay, this Hyundai Sonata hybrid over here on my right, up on my right, I'm going to honk into his or her window. Let's see if I can do that. But I also have a car right in front of me, so I don't want to slow down. It looks like I was honking to let her know that I was going in front of her, so that actually seems very reasonable and not funny. There we go. Yeah, man. Honking to the bus window. Was that fun? Was that funny? I don't know. I can't tell if stuff is funny anymore. Here's the car. Windows are closed. I think this is like actually viable. It's like a good safety measure, honking at cars as I pass them. I feel like oftentimes I pass cars and they don't see me coming, and so this little honk is actually a pleasant, refreshing thing to do for myself, for my safety. Alright, yeah, I was just bored on this Saturday afternoon, so there we are. That's honking into cars' windows. Here, let's try this guy. Honking into car windows, yes. That guy's leaned back. I don't want to I don't want someone, the worst case scenario, someone guns it and like takes offense to me aiming at them and honking at them, and then wants to catch up to me and then accidentally hits me or purposely hits me. Although I don't know who or why someone would risk their own good standing by hitting someone on camera. Cars are like far back away enough from me where they're like, don't want a piece of that. If this guy tumbles, I don't want to be anywhere near that. Okay, here's the car. Honking into people's car windows. Gone wrong. This is how we venture out of our little EUC circle and expand outwards into the YouTube metaverse, into the entire YouTube structure by having a gone wrong situation. Honking into people's car windows, gone wrong. Let's see if we can. I don't want it to go wrong though. I'm going 30 miles an hour in the street on a wheel with pedals sticking out of it. Yep. I did it, but then I nodded at him, so it was kind of like there's not really anything funny about that. I completely I did it and completely what's the word? Reconciled it. You good? All right, honking into people's car windows, part 2. It's still part 1. Honking into car windows, take 2. Beep. Honking into bus windows. Honking at NYPD. That was cowardly at best. That was extremely far away and unconventionally imbold. Imbold, is that opposite of bold? Because that's what I meant. YouTube thumbnail and title. Honking at the police. and then clickers, viewers see that and they're like, really? Really? Huh. You're going to have to try harder than that, buddy, if you want to amuse me. Fine, I won't write that in the title nor use that as the thumbnail. Although that would be funny on its face. And if I do honk at them, technically, even though they don't notice it or don't react, technically I delivered what I promised. Ah, yes, the art of middle grounding your clickbait. Ooh, we've got a diver. A man who dives from one side of traffic to the other to make a sudden and abrupt right or left turn. Okay, yeah. This has been a feeble honking into people's car windows. If you liked it, or if you like the haphazard attempt at this, just let me know. Let me know by liking the video and commenting and subscribing and sharing the video. Honk. Honking at NYPD firefighters. They're like, yes? Okay. Is this a hostile honk, or what's your deal? Alright, I'm going to cut across right here, folks. It's time to wrap this up. So, if you like beautiful sunsets, if you like New York City cool and calm traffic, if you like EUCs, if you like people talking about nonsense and goofing off in a poorly planned prank attempt effort, be sure to like this video and subscribe and comment and share and all that good stuff. Thank you in advance for doing so, and I will better equip myself and better prepare myself for properly funny, good content as these videos continue to roll out, and as I continue to get out here and enjoy my fun riding and getting around on my journeys with you all by my side. And I have lots of fun topics lined up to discuss, but I just haven't been feeling super heavy focused and heavy serious right now to be talking and deliberating on topics right now. I'm just feeling silly. I just want to goof off and do nonsense right now with yous. So I hope you're feeling the same when this video hits. Up, honking into a car window. Yes, got him. It's like the hand motion looks like you're macing somebody, because it's like, ready, watch. All right, and that was it. Thank you guys, and goodbye.